everyone. I'm back out today in my new permission. I've only just got here now and it's starting to rain, typical. But my plan today is to go on the hills in the field. I was here yesterday and I had the 11-inch coil on because I was going on the field here. I've actually put the 9-inch coil on today and I'm hoping to find something. Also, we've got the Roman road that goes through there. Filming with a GoPro. I put the waterproof back door on this today, so I hope it doesn't affect the sound too much, as I normally use the skeleton back door, which gives the best sound, but the camera's exposed then to water. Okay, so as soon as I get something, I'll come back to you. Okay, I've just found the signal by this tree. I've actually just been sheltering by this tree. We had another heavy shower. Late 80s. Late 80s. I'm actually using a program today that Mick Finders Keepers put up on his last video. I'll run through the settings of it in a bit. Okay, I'll dig it and I'll come back to you. Okay, it's in here somewhere. Ah. That looks like a button. It's still got a bit of the shank on the back. Maybe military. There's a lot of military stuff around here. Okay, on to the next. Toy car or lorry even. Yeah, an old lorry. Okay, I'm still by this tree. There's a load of signals on this tree. It's rather a button or a coin. It's a coin. Looks like a penny. Okay, I've just walked down and just on this bit where they claim this is an opening from an old Roman road. I had a banging signal here in the late 80s, I think it was, and it looks like an old buckle. I might still have the and I've just broken it. I put no pressure on that at all. Okay, I've had to come back for shelter. It's raining really heavy again now. Where you see my shovel there, I've got a very faint target there. I'll dig it once the shower goes. We're going to do all around here today and going up this one. It's up there. Looks to me, this is the biggest hill in the field. It's really raining heavy. And looks to me, this wall went right the way around. So for some reason they didn't want the livestock to go up on the hill, maybe, don't know. Okay, I've dug that and maybe a part of an old buckle, maybe. I'm not too sure. I think the copper. Okay, I've just been walking up there. That's working out to be tougher than what I thought. I've had about 6 shotgun cartridges. There's murder on the old legs. I've just had a very faint signal here now. And I've dug it. This was ringing 60s to 70s. I think it's an old button. There now. Yeah, old button. Got a signal here now. Which is going 00 to 94, and I'm still in a mixed program. 70s. Okay, I'll give this a dig, I'll come back to you. Okay, I've just dug that now. I'm having to use this SCARA retriever tool to get all these targets out of here. There's no way you can get your shoveling. I don't know what it is. Maybe a badge. Not too sure. Maybe a bag seal. I think it's lead and it's round. Okay, I'll give that a clean when I get in. Right, these are the settings. I've called the program Mick. This program, if you want it, you start off in the basic, yeah, then you modify it basic 1. Right, discrimination on 6, expert full tones, sensitivity 92, expert TX power 2, frequency 11.7, nothing in expert. Iron volume 0, you don't get an iron volume in the full tones, so reactivity 2 and silencer on 0, audio response 3, overload 2, nothing for notch, and keep the ground balance on manual, which that works for me. Yeah, I like this program. I've done quite a few targets. Majority of them are shotgun cartridges that I ring in between. They can go between the 40s and 80s. Yeah, so check out Mick's channel, Mick Finders Keepers. He's got a great channel. So, right, I'll carry on to the next. Late 80s. Late 80s, I'll come back. Okay, I've just turned that over and I can hear there's something in there. Oh, I think it's another button. Yeah, it's another button. I could just see a bit of silver then in the hole and it's tricked me. I think it's a computer button. Yeah. Okay, on to the next. Okay, I've just dug my next target. There's a hell of a lot of iron on this bit. It's round and it's lead again. I don't know if it's an old bag seal. Not too sure. Probably is actually. Okay, I've just dug my next target. Typical's raining again. And just seeing there. There's a coin on the button. 1891, so that's Victoria. Okay, it's proven harder than what I thought here. But yeah, I'll keep at it. This thing's here, so. Right, on to the next. Okay, next target had no target ID, just sounds only. And it's ringing in the 70s now. Not sure what that would have been off, if it's furniture or something before that maybe. Not too sure. It's very little. Okay, on to the next. Okay, next target was a very jumpy target. And it's just a button. Well, a few buttons off here today. Okay, next target was an iffy signal and you can see now it's a penknife. Okay, I'm right next to the 7 Queens now and I've just dug a target here. You can see what it is. It's an old buckle. Okay, happy with that. On to the next. Okay, I've just dug my next target. I don't know if that's a bit of a clay pipe. And also this, which I think is a bit of an old buckle. I've never seen one that shape before. Okay, next target, I had to dig a lot out to get this. It's a coin. Not sure whose coin it is yet. It is pretty thick, so George 2 or George 3, penny or halfpenny. That's it. Could just make out Britannia there. You can just see it there on top of the plug. Right there. There's another coin. What it is, I don't know. This one's a lot thinner, so I don't know if it's older or newer. Late 80s. It's fallen up the hole. It's just there somewhere. Yeah. Another coin. This one's got a dent in it. Toasted. I haven't got a clue whose coin that is. Next target is another penknife. Next target. Finally I found an area that's got targets everywhere. Okay, just in front of the coil, late 80s in both directions. Do you see something there now? Another coin. I think it's another halfpenny that's toasted. Okay, I'm going to keep on going here now. I think I found enough coppers to merit a silver. Just looking over there now, these cows are starting to come in. Okay, I've just dug my last target now. This was ringing in late 80s. Oh, there's some detail on this one. $187. I'm not too sure. Okay, I'll just give you a quick roundup of what I found. Pen knives, buckles. I've just put a couple of shotgun cartridges on there. I think I got about 10 in total. Yeah, there's some nice buckles there. I think there's some bag seals there as well. I'll give them a clean. Bits of lead, bits of copper shrapnel again. There's a lot of that here, and that gives it a nice tone. That buttons, coins, 7 coins. There's 7 coins here. The newest one is the penny. I think it's 1971. I think I saw. Early 70s. A few of the others here are toasted, but I think I'll get some detail off a couple. Like there's good detail on this Victoria halfpenny, 1891. The majority of this hunt today I've used Mick's program from his latest video. Yeah, Mick Finders Keepers. Yeah, it's a good program. I will keep it. I've also been using the hot program today as well. I think the hot program manages better if it's really infested in iron, which there was some bits that were 9-inch coil I used on this hunt, and I absolutely love the 9-inch coil. I do. So I don't know when I'll be able to get here next. I've got a hell of a lot on and I'm flat out working nights. So thanks for watching, commenting and subscribing. I will be uploading another video soon. Take care. All the best.